Hi, I'm Rahul Kewat. I'm an experienced web developer specializing in creating exceptional web applications. With over 7+ years of experience, I excel in Laravel and Vue.js to build dynamic and user-friendly platforms. My expertise also includes Python and its other related framework like the Django and FastAPI for robust backend solution, along with Tailwind CSS for sleek and responsive design. Clients appreciate my ability to transform ideas into seamless and functional solutions. So let's collaborate to bring your ideas into life and achieve your vision. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you wanted to contact me, then I'll be dropping my email ID down there, and I'll be happy to discuss more about your project and your idea. And let's meet you over there. Thank you so much, and bye bye. Take care. Namaste.